Motivation and Leadership Analysis Group 3, presented by Khayla Henry and Hoang. This presentation is based on an interview with Jennifer Johnson, the Process and Quality Improvement Manager at Bright from the Start, Georgia Department of Early Care and Learning. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore how Jennifer approaches leadership within her team, unpack a key motivational challenge she faces, and use theories from class to diagnose the leadership style and motivational strategies she's applying, sometimes without even realizing it. We interviewed Jennifer Johnson, the Process and Quality Improvement Manager in the Child Care Services Division at Bright from the Start, Georgia Department of Early Care and Learning, or DCAL. DCAL is a state agency that supports the early education and care needs of Georgia's children and families. Its responsibilities include licensing child care providers, managing Georgia's pre-K program, and leading quality improvement efforts across the state. Within the Child Care Services Division, Jennifer oversees a team responsible for ensuring consultants follow consistent processes that support safe, high-quality learning environments. Jennifer Johnson serves as the Process and Quality Improvement Manager at DCAL. She leads a team of 5 consultants and 3 coordinators within the Child Care Services Division. Her primary focus is on streamlining internal workflows, improving consistency among consultants, and ensuring the team follows regulatory standards to maintain high-quality outcomes. In her role, Jennifer oversees daily operations of the PQI unit and coordinates quality improvement initiatives that align with the agency's goals. She balances consultant support with accountability and fosters a collaborative team environment focused on continuous improvement. Leadership and motivation themes. Jennifer's leadership approach blends several impactful styles and theories that influence how she motivates and supports her team. First, her use of transformational leadership helps her inspire consultants and coordinators by creating a shared vision and encouraging pride in their work. She builds emotional connections that align with Goldman's emotional intelligence framework, fostering deeper commitment to the team's goals. She also demonstrates servant leadership, focusing on the growth and well-being of her team. By actively listening and offering support, she removes barriers to success and models authenticity, consistent with authentic leadership principles. Jennifer promotes goal alignment and intrinsic motivation by helping staff see the bigger picture, how the roles connect to DCAL's mission. This taps into Herzberg's theory, reinforcing internal motivation over external rewards. Finally, through empowerment, she encourages autonomy and accountability, involving her team in decision making. This approach builds confidence, recognizes expertise, and reflects the group's emotional intelligence principle outlined by Druskat and Wolf. Adapting leadership to individual styles. As a newer manager, Jennifer recognized that one-size-fits-all leadership style wouldn't work. She began by observing and assessing individual work styles across her team. This allowed her to better understand each person's strengths, communication preferences, and motivational triggers. To meet her team where they are, she adopted an adaptive leadership approach, holding consistent one-on-one check-ins to build trust and maintain open communication. These efforts helped her balance the individual needs of her team members with the unit's collective goals. As a result, she created a more supportive environment which boosted engagement and motivation. Her leadership style encourages team members to take ownership of their roles and show up more authentically. This intentional shift is how she helped strengthen her overall team culture and collaboration.
Recognizing performance, leadership reflection, cousin recognition, group shout out for exceptional contributions, appreciation share via team text, small gesture during staff meeting, grow opportunity to build a more intentional recognition strategy, personalized appreciation to individual preferences, celebrate win in the way that reinforces team value. Herberg theories, or known as the motivation hygiene theory, define the job satisfaction and dissatisfaction as arising from two independent sets of factors, motivator and hygiene factor. Ironies of motivation is used to describe the startling and frequently surprising facts regarding what motivates people to provide their best effort. Addressing the challenge, intentional leadership with challenges is adapting a leadership style to meet the diverse team needs. Practice intentional listening and observation. Realize initial assumption didn't align with team dynamic. Approach by scheduling monthly one-on-one checks-in. Focus on understanding individual work style and needs. Result to improve alignment between leadership and team expectation. Strengthen relationship through personalized engagement. Enhance clarity on team progress and support need. Re-engaging the team. Pattern of disengagement, lacks of clarity around role, task, or direction, disconnection from the vision or purpose of the work, low buy-in leading to reduced motivation and participation. Leadership response shift toward a democratic leadership style, invited team feedbacks on what's going on and what not, encourage share ownership of solution and next step, recognize team member as the experts on the ground, motivational impact, increase clarity and alignment with team goal, strengthen engagement through collaborative decision making, foster a culture of trust, inclusion, and shared purpose. Goldman emotional intelligence, Druskard, and Wolf are theoretical backing. Motivation challenges start with key factor is heavy workloads and complex schedule, geographic dispersion leading to a team isolation, limited opportunity for in-person collaboration, difficulty sustaining team building effort virtually, most critically, lacks of buy-in from team members. Strategic response. Prioritize clarity of purpose and shared vision. Foster collaborative planning to increase ownership. Create intentional virtual space for connection. Address workload balance and recognize contributions. Build connection to drive performance. In the case if time and resources wasn't limited, increase in-person collaboration across the team, create a space for real-time brainstorming and co-creation, shift from fragmented tasks to collective problem-solving, strengthen team cohesion through shared physical presence. Why does it matter? It helps to reduce the isolation from geographic dispersion, build trust, creativity, and team synergy. What about Jennifer Johnson leadership styles? It prioritizes consensus over command, encourage open dialogue and team input, adapt leadership to fit team dynamic and need, build trust through transparency and inclusion, enhance buy-in and motivation, promote shared accountability and ownership, strengthen team cohesion and collective problem solving.
Share your thoughts on Jennifer Johnson's motivation and leadership style. Presented by Khayla Henry and Hoang.